Ambassadeur Chique, sous-contacté, l'ami d'enfance, retraité à Douala, le prophète de Jules Congo.
Welcome to Kikongo class. If you're watching, we thank you. Kikongo is the language of Kongo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. The basic Congo is spoken in. Did you know that there was three Congo, three countries called Congo? That time, did you know that?
No.
We're free. Congo, French Congo, Belgium Congo, then Portuguese Congo. You know what Portuguese Congo is there? Portuguese
Yes.
Congo is Angola used to be Portuguese Congo.
Angola.
So why three countries named after a kingdom? So we should ask ourselves a question: Why? 'Cause- why? Because kingdom
Is it
was powerful kingdom, you
of
know.
Congo?
Yeah. Yes, Tutondele. Thank you very much for your time, Tatale. Nengo Tadiwa. I know it's Sunday, but we are committed to learn our language. Thank you very much. Kiambote tata ale.
Kiambo
Tunama
tetata
vimpi, eh?
mpanzu.
Tunama
Tunama
vimpi, eh?
vimpi. Ingeta, tunama vimpi. Yeyeno, eh?
Yetope tunama vimpi. Tutondele. Diambote kikilo. Kiambote nengwa tadiwa.
Kiambote.
Lunama vimpi, eh?
Ingeta tuna mavimbi tutondele yeyenwe.
Yetope tunama vimpi. Tutondele. Wow. Diambote kikilo. Okay, let me just move. I mean, before we start the lesson, just from greetings, when we're greeting, let us go back. Let us go back. I mean, let's say in negative. I mean, it's not good, but let's just for the for learning purpose. If you were not my Vimpi, what would have been your answer? that remember we learn the negative two negative. I mean the key and ko, yeah, go together. Luna, Lu is pronoun. Lu is first or second? Lu.
Uh,
Second.
Go ahead, Nengotedio.
Is it second person?
Yes, you many. Second plural.
Yes.
Okay, Lunama Vimpi, yeah, you say yes, Lunama Vimpi, but let us just use the Mavimpi. Don't go far. I mean, don't need to worry about the proper grammar here. Mavimpi, Lunama Vimpi, Inge the Lunama Vimpi, we are fine. That's fine. Of course. Let's use the K and Ko. Remember, negative. Lunama Vimpi, you many, second plural. Then your answer will be first plural, but negative. Are you there? Yes? Anyway, yes?
Or
Using
is it
using my
K?
Vimpi. I'm asking you, Lunama Vimpi, you many, how are you? Yes, usually we say we are fine, but now today we are saying I want you to be well. But for the sake of learning, we're just saying we are not
Is it
fine.
is it K?
Kema Vimpiko?
K?
Well done, wow, well done. They try to do it well. I mean, Lunama Vimpi, you many, then you K, you we. Then what's the pronoun for the personal pronoun for we?
Is it
Two?
Well done. Yes. So then your sentence, full sentence, negative. You remember, like in French, we have two negatives. Yeah, we keiko. Yes.
two can
You start with K.
two can
K E. Yes. Yeah. K. Go ahead.
two can mavimko.
Again, please. K. Yes.
Ke mavimpiko.
Yeah, you miss your pronoun. Ke, your first plural. Ke.
Oke tuna mavimpiko.
Well done, bravo. Ke tunama vimpiko. I wish you were. I mean, just the class. That time, are you there? Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, ke tunama vimpiko. Let me just bring it. The display.
I wasn't sure.
Sorry.
I wasn't
You are not sure.
entirely sure.
You are not 100% sure. Here you are. Let me just. I need to write my another question. Yeah, Tata is there. Ke tunama vimpiko. The K ko is always there. Is standard, unchanged. It doesn't change. Ko, but K. Some people, depending on area, they would say ka. Yes. In my area, I'm from Kuilufuta. We usually say ka. Que tunama vimpiko. Well done. Okay. Quiz. First sentence. I'm asking you, Nengwatadiwa. Quiza u quiz, eh? No. What does it mean, quiza?
Quiz is to come.
To come.
Well done, well done. Then going. To go is
Kwenda.
well done. I'm asking a question. Nengwatadiwa. Quiza u quiz, eh? We are going to use a negative. Your answer, please.
Kikwizako.
Well done, a bit tricky, but in this case you use ki instead of ke. Kikwizako.
Kikwizako.
Kikwiza, because I mean it rhymes with ki. That telling yes?
Yeah, yes.
Second line. Remember, Lu is
you plural.
Lu is personal pronoun.
It's
First or second?
You second.
Lu is second plural. Yes. I'm asking you. I mean, you many. Tatan and Nengote. Vutuka lu vutuke. Then you're going to apply a negative. Yes, remember? First plural. Please. Very easy. Don't. I mean, the two e at the end is just for the question. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, so it'd be K kuvutukako.
Well done. Sorry again.
K kuvutukako. It's not. Oh. No, go ahead.
Kevutukako.
K.
Luvutukako.
It's two, right? You have to put K.
Yeah, two. No, not in the middle because not the middle. K to vutukako. Yes.
K to vutukako.
Yeah. That's what I said at first. No.
Did you? Oh, I'm sorry.
I thought that's what I. Yeah.
K to vutukako. Yeah, well done. Then what are your questions?
I'm just trying to get used to this.
Yeah, K to vutukako. Vutukalu vutuke. K to vutukako. Oh, there another line that Nengutadiwa. Kwenda, quiza, coming, to come, kwenda, to go.
So this the same as quiza. Do I say key instead of K?
Sorry?
Do I say key instead of K? For kwenda.
Good question. Good. 1 minute. Let me just add that the Cambo de Tata Vidi.
Cambo te.
Wait. Yeah, Nengutadiwa, yeah.
Is it
Come again,
is it the same as quiza, where I say ki kwenda ko instead of ke kwenda ko?
Yeah, kwenda, you one person you. That you is a second singular. Yes, Natalie?
Yes.
The you is second singular. The you is a second singular. I mean, I put in bracket because some variants ignore it. I mean, when you're speaking, it's not obvious always. It's not always obvious. Some people ignore it. Just quiza. You know that I'm talking to you obviously. Yes.
Okay,
Tata
is it
Ale, so Tata David, just an introduction to negatives. Kwenda ukwende, Nengo, tell you come back, please.
Kikwenda?
Mm.
Kikwenda ko.
Kikwenda ko. Mm.
Okay.
Kikwenda.
Asking if it's the same as quiz.
Kikwenda ko. Yeah, Kikwenda ko. Yes. Don't worry about
Okay, so
the
it's
E.
similar to quiz.
Kikwenda. Kwenda ko. The E, these are just for the question, the tone. Kikwiza ko. Katuvutka ko. Tata, you did well, yeah. You were right. K2, katuvutka ko, kituvutka ko. Kikwenda ko. The most important thing is the ko at the end, yes?
Yes.
So ki is not standard. K is very. Kikwiza ko. Katuvutka ko. Tutondele. Tata David, did you get the question? We're going back to the negatives we did last Sunday.
Right.
Okay.
That's where we left off.
Yes. Kwenda, kikwenda ko. Okay, let's just move to the main lesson. Just try if I can find my file. This one. Let me try to answer someone this. Do you have the first 5 lessons? I didn't get that Tata Rami. Don't know if Nengo or Tata. 5 lessons. First, I didn't get that. Can you try to explain Dr. Rami? Thank you, Tutondela. Okay. Our time is gone. Let's move quickly. Okay. Okay. Longidius Samba no 6. Lesson 6, section 2, negatives. Pattern. Okay, now that you understand negative, Nengwa Tadiwa will be easy for you to read properly. Okay, can you go ahead, please? Nengwa Tadiwa.
Onkento wame munzokena.
Munzokene.
Kena munzokene. Ve kena munzoko.
Thank you very much. Remember that double E just for the question, the tone. Kena munzoko. Okay. Nengwa Tadiwa and the can do it again, please. Nengo Tadiwa and the Tata Allen. Please, you first line. Nengo Tadiwa, then Tata Allen will answer your question.
Okay.
Please.
Onkento wame munzokene.
Ve Kenamunzoko.
Kenamunzoko. Okay, some question Nengo Tadiwa, please. But now, affirmative Tata Allen, yeah. Nengo Tadiwa, please. Same question. But Tata Allen is going to answer.
Positive.
Yes.
Okay. Onkento wame munzokene.
Hello. Kenamunzo.
Remember, be careful. No longer negative. We remove the K key. Remember, always keep in mind K core are negatives.
Oh, okay. Hello. Munzo Kena? Is it reverse or I'm getting
Yes,
confused?
correct. Munzo Kena. Yeah, Munzo Kena is correct. Yes.
It's correct. Munzokene.
It's correct.
Okay.
Or you could say hello una Munzo. It's fine. Tutondele. Tata David in Kikongo. Can you you first line Tata David? Then the Nengo Tedwa is going to answer.
All right. Nguliame munzokene.
Ve kena munzoko.
Well done. Good reading. Yeah. Ngudiame munzokene ve kena munzoko. Same question tata line now positive. Tata nengo tedu.
Or do I read first?
Tata David answer the same question. Then positive, yeah. Answer.
Okay.
So who's reading? Am I reading?
Tata line. I'm sorry. Tata David, I'm sorry.
Oh,
It was
okay.
Tata David. Tata David, go ahead, sir.
Ngudiame munzokena.
Hello,
Oh,
Muzoken.
sorry.
Nengo tedu. Sorry, I'm confusing
Oh.
you. Nengo tedu, you
Hello.
answer, please.
Okay. Hello, Munzokena.
Hello, Munzokena. Well done, hello, Munzokena. Tata, hello, Munzokena. I mean, you could use it sometime, but just avoid using K and ko. Any K and ko, of course, ko we know that is negative. Usually, K sometimes it's confusing when you use a K in positive. K, ko, they go together, but when you're using positive, you have to avoid using K. Engudiame munzokena, elo munzokena. So what did I say? Muna munzo. Let me just let me say it again. Sorry, I'm confusing you. Engudiame munzokene, ve, kena munzoko. Engudiame munzokene, elo munzokena. Yes, munzokena. You can say that, but in that case, that K that we're using when it's positive is no longer the same meaning as a K here, K-E. Yes, because no negative. When we say hello, munzokena, it is not. Am I? Is it clear?
Yeah.
It's confusing. When you say ve kena munzoko, this K, in this case, it is the K code. I mean, the twin K is negative, yes. But when it's affirmative, positive, when you say hello, munzokena, that K is no negative. Yes, of course, it's no negative. Thank you. Tutondele nengwatadiwa omwana memunzo. Sorry, owana memunzo bene. Tatanle, you want to answer?
Omwaname Munzobene.
Ve kebena munzoko.
Well done. Kebena munzoko. That name what tell you again? Owana long vowel, please.
Owaname Munzobene.
Ve kebena munzoko.
Well done. Kebena munzoko. Now positive. Tata name what tell you again? I mean, same question. Tata positive.
Okay. Owaname Munzobene.
Hello, munzo. Bena or kebena?
Yeah, well done. Yeah, well done. Hello,
Munzobene.
munzo bena. Correct. Or you could just say hello, bena munzo. Same thing. Remember last Sunday we were talking about, I can't remember, what was it? Something ngina, mukwiza ngina. Then I said that in other area they would say ngina mukwiza. Do you remember that? I think you did ask the question, yes. Because you were wondering why the pronoun is at the end instead of the beginning. Yeah. So that in some area they say ngina mukwiza. I think that's easy. Ngina mukwiza. When you say, if you're Western, you say mukwiza ngina. The pronoun is at the end is confused. Tata David, your turn.
Okay.
Question, Tata David. Then Tata Allen is going to answer, please.
Wakundu ame munzobene.
Ve kebena munzoko.
Well done. I like your reading, Tata David. Again, wakundia me. Now, Tata Allen, Positive, yes. The answer, you answer. Affirmative,
Okay.
yes. Tata David, please question.
Okay. Wakundu ame munzo bene.
Hello, Munzo Bena.
Well done. Hello, Munzo Bena. Oh, some people would say Bena Munzo, yes.
Munzo, okay.
Bena Munzo is correct. Tata, you answer. You ask the question, then Nengo tell you why you want to reply, please.
Ekin Kutu Kiame Munzo Kine.
Mm.
V. Kikina Munzoko.
Well done. I know your question. You're going to ask. This kina, this in this case, kina is not this ki is not negative. Yes, get this. It's not negative.
Yes.
Mhm.
I don't know how to describe it. Kina. Of course it is. It is not. Yeah. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
It is not. Yes. Did you answer positive, Tatan? Did you?
No, I asked the question.
Oh, you did answer. What was the answer? It was it negative. That Nengo tell you.
Yes, it
Yes,
was
it's
negative.
Yes, it was negative.
Yeah, okay. Let us go to positive now. Same question.
Okay.
Tatan was it yes?
Ekin Kutu Kiame
Mm-hmm.
Munzo Kine.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, Munzokina.
Well done. Oh, that you could say
Kina Munzo.
You can say
hello.
elo kina munzo.
Kina Munzo.
Hmm. Confusing. Okay, don't worry about that. Let's just use the hello Munzo Kina. That's for sure. Because the grammar here is confusing.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tata David Kikongo. Hey, you ask a question. Then what
Okay.
you are going to answer, please.
Eyunga kiane munzo kine.
V. Kikina Munzoko.
Now, same question, Tata, positive now. Answer. Tata David, question,
Oh, okay. Again. Eyunga
please.
kiane munzo kine.
Mm.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, am I answering or?
Hello.
Sorry, Tata. Hello, Tata. No, Tata, go ahead.
Okay. Hello, Munzokina.
Well done. Munzokina. Let us move the next slide. Tata, you ask the question, then what you are going to reply.
Oma dia mame Munzo Mene.
Mm-hmm. What
V. Kemena Munzoko.
You need to get this is very, very good grammar. Even, I mean, people currently we speak Kikongo, but not that many people. Many people don't bother about proper grammar. You know, as long as you understand what they are saying, they don't care.
Yeah.
If you were writing to a Congo king, you wouldn't do that. You have to write proper grammar. This is the correct grammar.
Yes.
Omadiama memunzomene ve kemena munzogo. Did you do the positive? No, no, yeah, we
Not
did.
yet.
No, we didn't do it.
No.
Okay. Can you do it? Can you go back ask some question and answer positive, please?
Sure. Oma dia mame Munzo Mene.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, Munzomena.
Well done, well done, well done. Now Tata Allen going to ask, then Tata David is going to reply. Please give the answer.
Omvoatu miame Munzo Mene.
Ve kemina munzoko.
Tata Allen again. Be careful. Me now, men now. Be careful. This is
Okay.
me. Again, long vowel. Omvoatumiame munzomine. Congo people, when during the speaking, it usually, because this language, tonal language, is very soothing, I would say. The way you talk, even you don't rush, because the long vowel force you to is going to force you to break a bit. See, you can't rush. Umvwa tumiame. Tata, please.
Umvwa tumiame
Mm.
munzo mine.
Mine. Mm-hmm. Yes. Answer. Tata. What's Tata? Yes.
Negative or positive this time?
Positive, please.
Okay. Elo, munzo mina.
Well done. Well done. Well done. This is good grammar. Then what tell you a question, then Tata David is going to answer. Then what tell you, please. Over to you.
Onkanjame munzowine.
Can you do it again, please? Remember long vowel. Onkandame, please.
Onkandame munzowine.
Well done.
Ve, kewina munzoko.
Same question. Then what tell you?
Munzoko would be ve kewina munzoko.
Yes, this is a negative. That name what tell you? Same question, positive now, please. Tata David.
Onkandame munzowine.
Elo, munzo wina.
Tutondele. Well done. Tata, Alan, you ask the question, then Tata David are going to give you the answer.
Onkanda miame munzo mine.
Well done.
Ve, kemina munzoko. Munzoko.
Kemina Munzoko. Well done. Same question, different answer.
Onkanda miame munzo mine.
Elo, munzo mina.
Well done. Wow, well done. Well done. We're done for today. Well done to you. Any questions, Atale?
No questions.
I'm going to ask you a question then. I'm going to ask you a question. Dia. Remember dia? What does it mean? Dia.
To eat?
Well then, yes. I'm going to ask a question. Tata, you give answer. Your answer should be negative. Negative answer. Dia. I mean, I don't want to make it hard for you. Dia ou dia, Tata. Oh, let's put the usual way. Ongeyo singa die, Tata. Remember singer, future, going to, will. Ongeyo singa die, dia. Negative.
Hello.
No, negative.
No. Oh, negative. Okay. Ve.
Good. Go with KIS.
Kediako.
Kidiako, yeah, it's fine.
Kidiako.
Kisinga diako, because we're talking.
Oh, Kisinga diako.
Okay. Yes. Oh, Nemo Tadi was gone. Vova. Vova, what does it mean, Tata David? Oh, Vova.
To speak.
Well done. Wow. Very impressed. Okay. Question. Tata David. David Kikongo. Tata David. Onge osinga vove.
Ve kisingako.
Kisinga vovako. Verb, your verb, you dropped your verb. You shouldn't. You shouldn't drop your.
Yeah. Okay.
Let us do it again.
Okay.
Tata David. Nge osinga vove.
Ve kisinga vovako.
Well done. Tata, did you get that? Yes?
Yeah.
Kisinga vovako. Yeah. Well, you're doing well. Negative. What happened, Tata? Nengo Tadio. Nengo Tadio, are you there? Aye.
She's got a delay.
Nengo Tadio, on mute. Aye. Okay, are you there?
She is.
We can't hear you. Say something. Are you there?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah,
Last question.
My thing is all on.
Okay, last question. Same question. Ongeye osinga vove. Nengo tadiwa. Ongeye osinga vove. Okay, sorry.
Should I answer it in positive or negative?
You can answer positive. Go ahead. Ongeye osinga vove.
Positive. Elo umuntu isinga vova.
Well done. Elo mono isinga vova. Tutondele. Tutondele. Tutondele yeshokidi. Okay. Luenda kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Salia Kimbote.
Tutondele.
Tamo aqui,
Sala Kiambo.
aquele estresse do Maia, manda ver.
Yenga kuna ya uchila